Hey guys, welcome to Heartdeco Wonders. Today I'm showing you how to use our electric mixer. So firstly, we'd like to run through everything that's inside the box, and we'll start off with this splash-proof cover. You also have a little spatula and an instruction manual. Please read through this. It will give you all the information you need to know about the unit. Then we have three heads. We have a whisk over here, a dough hook, and a mixing beater. So you can add these all to the head over here, and it will help you to make the perfect food. So heading on over to the main unit over here, it's made out of a die-cast aluminium. So it's really durable and it will last for a long time. You have a 6-liter stainless steel mixing bowl, 1,800 watts of a powerful motor, and of course 6 speed modes with a pulse function. So over here it has a locking function to make sure that the bowl doesn't go anywhere while mixing. And then we're just going to show you how to attach the whisk. So you'll just insert it here, make sure to lock it, so twist and turn to lock it, and then you can just take the unit down by pressing on this lever, and there you have it. So to install the splash-proof cover, you're going to have to do that before installing the hook. So we're just going to push it up as high as you can, and then you're going to add the whisk, and then just let it go down. And then from there, you're just going to push down the splash-proof cover, and then you can start mixing. So this unit is able to install attachments. So you'll just open up this lid over here. You can install the attachments through there and then start using it to grind your meat or whatever else you need. Okay, so this unit comes with the hairdryer plug. So as you can see over there, it's a standard hairdryer plug. Make sure to get you one of these at your selected retail stores. You can start using it. Okay guys, so that's how to use our electronic mixer. Please like, subscribe, and follow us for more.